Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest filled with towering trees and gentle streams, lived a little bird named Oliver. Oliver was a creative and determined bird who had a dream to build the most beautiful nest in the whole forest. Every day, Oliver would diligently search for the perfect materials to construct his nest. He would gather twigs, leaves, feathers, and bits of string, carefully selecting each item with great care. Despite facing challenges and setbacks, Oliver never gave up on his dream. As he ventured far and wide, Oliver encountered other animals who doubted his abilities. They would laugh and question why a little bird would bother building such an elaborate nest when a simple nest would suffice. But Oliver paid no mind to their skepticism. He believed that his nest would be a testament to his perseverance and creativity. With each passing day, Oliver worked tirelessly, meticulously arranging twigs and weaving delicate strands of grass together. He would chirp joyfully as he added soft feathers to create a cozy and comfortable home for himself. Word of Oliver's ambitious nest-building project began to spread throughout the forest. Other animals, including squirrels, rabbits, and even insects, became curious and started to help Oliver by gathering small materials they thought he might need. Oliver was overjoyed by their support and realized that building his nest had become a collective effort. Together, they created a harmonious community, each contributing their unique skills and resources to make the nest even more remarkable. Finally, after days of hard work and collaboration, Oliver's nest was complete. It stood tall and strong, a true masterpiece of architecture and determination. The forest animals marveled at its beauty, amazed by the ingenuity and perseverance of the little bird. Oliver's nest became a symbol of inspiration for all the creatures in the forest. It taught them the importance of believing in their dreams, persevering through challenges, and embracing the support and collaboration of others. From that day forward, Oliver's nest became a gathering place for all the animals in the forest. They would come together to share stories, laughter, and friendship, all thanks to the determination and vision of one small bird. The story of Oliver, the bird who built his nest, serves as a reminder that with passion, dedication, and the support of others, even the most audacious dreams can become a reality. It teaches us the value of hard work, perseverance, and the power of community in achieving our goals. So, let Oliver's story inspire you to soar high, build your own nest of dreams, and embrace the support and collaboration of those around you. Just like Oliver, you too can create something extraordinary and leave a lasting impact on the world around you. The end.